In today's video, I'm going to be hand pouring some silver and forging a Kratos skull bar. Now this is going to be epic, so sit back and enjoy this bad boy. First of all, as always, we've got to make the impression in the sand, so we're going to be doing the old sand casting trick. We've got our 3D print now, and as you can see, I've filled in some of the eyes, around the eyes, because they cause problems, and a little bit on the top of his moustache. So we're going to get straight in and get some sand on it, and we'll get it burnt, and we'll see what comes out. Now this little one is actually going to be poured for GSH, the Gold Silver Hunter. He's a chap who I know from our Discord server. Now we've got a really cool Discord server going at the moment. I'm not sure if you guys know, but down in the description below I'll do the link, and it's called Stackers Social, and it's where we all hang out, have great fun. We're talking about gold, silver, content creation, investments. Really cool place to be. So it's really worthwhile, guys and girls, joining. So I'll put it all below and you can check that out. Right, so we'll get back to it. As you can see, I'm just pressing the sand through the sieve, so it's nice and fine. So hopefully we can get a good piece to come out for GSH. As I say, he's seen the actual 3D print that I did, and he asked whether he could have the very first pour from it, and I thought, right, why not then? So the pressure's on, got to make sure we get a good one. So here we go, we're packing it in. We'll start packing the sand in now, and we'll see what we can do. Where's my hammer? Why me now? If I had a hammer. punk screw. I want a punk screw. Come on. Ah, here we go. Punk screw.
YouTube, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, it's been a long time. I haven't posted a video, especially with commentary, in quite a while, about 2 years. And so I wanted to make a video today to let you guys know I'm back. I want to start creating content again. There's a lot of stuff to get into. I'm very behind on everything, and what you're looking at here is not even half of it. But I've been pouring. This is all my pours. I wanted to get that out there and show you guys what I'm doing. I have some pours still to make. I'm probably going to make videos and go live of pouring, and yeah, take you guys along with me on the process of learning everything. You know, I learned everything. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'm pretty good now through the process of all this. This is hours and hours of work. I don't even know how many hours. I couldn't even make an estimate of how many hours of filing and grinding down on things and pouring in the sand and all of it. Like, it's a time-consuming process for sure. But I'm going to get into it, and hopefully you guys will join me. There's a lot of stuff to get into other than that, though. I still need to do a giveaway. I never did a 1K giveaway because I've been gone all this time, and I was going to do it when I came back, and here we are 2 years later, which, by the way, was only supposed to be like 2 months. I don't know how that happened. Well, I do know, but at the same time, you know.
Thanks for watching, Silver Punks. If you want more interesting silver pouring videos, don't forget to subscribe.